Okay, Geller. Last day of the conference. You know what happens to the keynote speaker.
Professor Clark, we're kind of in the middle of a conversation here.
Yeah, can't you guys just throw in the pool later?
Or we could throw you both in now.
Dan?
No, she went shopping with Rachel. Why? What's up?
Well, I'm meeting with Professor Sherman about my being the keynote speaker.
Oh, how's it going?
It could be better.
This is a nice pep talk.
Oh, thanks. I'm actually thinking about becoming a motivational speaker.
So, if you were home right now, what would you be doing?
Typical Christmassy stuff, you know. Our holidays are pretty traditional.
All your space.
Well, we got plenty of space. There's still some over there by that speaker. Please, just
Yeah.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word speaker. It means a person who speaks. Also means a person who speaks formally before an audience, lecturer, orator. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce speaker, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to spe. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how speaker is used in real life.
Well, I'm meeting with Professor Sherman about my being the keynote speaker.
Oh, how's it going? Well, we got plenty of space. There's still some over there by that speaker.
You know what happens to the keynote speaker.
I'm actually thinking about becoming a motivational speaker.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.